Okay. Why did you guys pick the Tamarin? It's an
Because it has a
interesting choice.
mustache.
Okay. Yeah, it has a mustastache.
That is basically the only reason.
That was the only reason? How'd
No,
you know?
we
Okay.
all-
didn't get a choice.
We all three had animals and we played rock, paper, scissors, you know?
I thought we did one
No.
a number.
No.
What was your animal, Tori?
Koala bear.
That one wasn't in the rainforest.
Oh.
We didn't do that.
Austin, what was yours?
The mud skipper thing.
Oh, that's right.
Mine's
Which
a Tamarin.
nobody's ever seen. Okay. So we went with the Tamarin. Okay. Tell us a little bit about it.
The niche is that the two oldest males will reproduce with the oldest female, and that's basically just like they won't like reproduce with anybody else, and usually have 2 to 3 babies. They mature at 16 to 20 months.
What does that mean, Ryan?
Like they're able to reproduce.
Yeah. So it takes them only about 2 years. So not very long. Not very long.
They're usually 140 to 145 days of pregnancy.
How many months is that, Ryan?
Wait, like 30, right?
5.
5.
It's around 5 months. A little bit less than 5 months. So you think about that. Again, why would that animal only have 5 months when people have 9 months?
Because it's tiny. Smaller.
Yeah. When you have a smaller animal, the gestation is generally smaller.
All the males in the entire group that they're in will help out with the babies and will basically take care of them. Their small size helps them jump from tree to tree, they'll jump with their paws and tails so you can catch them. And the tamarins are active, very active during the day, and yeah, and they usually have groups of 15. That's it for mine.
Okay.
Anything else?
Okay. I thought we were
So-
big Germans.
It weighs 10 to 14 ounces.
How much is that, Tori?
Less than a pound.
Yeah, it's about a pound. A pound is 16 ounces.
And then it's 9 to 10.5 inches tall and 15 inches with the tail.
So you're thinking about something that's about like a dog, a small dog, that weighs less than a pound. So pretty little.
And then it has claws on all fingers and toes except for the great toe, which has a nail.
The captain? How come the captain doesn't have a nail?
The captain?
Captain toe. The big toe.
Captain toe.
The captain. Is there a reason? Do you know?
I don't know. It just said it had a great toe with a nail.
Well, usually there's a reason why, if it has nails everywhere else. Okay.
It has a brownish red chest and tail and a long white mustache, obviously. It has a gray or black coat with a yellow back.
So Tori, what's the mustache for? Is there a reason for it?
I don't know, because
Just to make them
good at
look
growing facial
tougher.
hair.
Well, I don't know if maybe they used it as to attract females, or do they all have mustaches, or
They all have mustaches.
they all do? The girls do too. Okay.
So I say the purpose now too.
I don't know, do you?
Do the diet.
Okay. It mostly eats plants, but they will also eat things such as fruit, tree sap, and small vertebrates, which are like lizards.
What's vertebrate mean?
It has a backbone.
Good.
If it's hungry and there's not a lot of food, it will take eggs out of bird nest. What they eat will vary by the different types of seasons. The insects they eat are ants, spiders, locusts, and butterflies. They eat the smaller animals that larger animals can't eat.
So Austin, what kind of a consumer would that be?
An omnivore.
Very good. Excellent. What about your food web? What are some things you have there?
They eat lizards, which is a small vertebrate. They eat fungi, and fungi also eats them. And they eat frogs, beetles, bananas, locusts, apples, and ants. And tree sap. Yeah.
Wouldn't the fungi eat them when they're eating it?
I don't know. Don't
That's
they
what
have to
it
be
said.
dead for it to eat them?
Fungi are decomposers, remember?
Yeah, decompose their intestines. Yeah.
So like, no, when you eat mushrooms, or you could eat mushrooms,
What
right?
if you like cook a mushroom? Then can it like, and then you like
No,
die?
it's not gonna eat you. I mean,
Grow a mouth.
certain fungi decompose and certain don't. I mean, like mushrooms decompose plants. Those, like the mushrooms we eat, decompose plants, not people. So, keep going.
Okay. They live in the southernmost part of South America, in the canopy. They are found in 75 to 100 acres of woodland.
So if it's bigger than that, they won't live there, or what? What does that mean?
I don't think they would. Yeah, I think it depends on their group. I think since it's only a group of 15, they'll be kind of spread out, and that's the reason why.
So you're saying they will live in that whole area, or you're saying
Yeah,
that
they'll like live in that entire area, and they'll probably just be spread out. And whenever they want to have a group meeting, they'll come together.
Group meeting.
you're just making this up as you go on, Jay?
Yes.
All right, keep going.
They are found in light, dry bottoms to terrestrial dense Amazon rainforests. Also dwell below. Sorry. Also dwell below 95 to 100 feet of trees. They like lowland evergreens and also broadleaf forests.
Okay. The purpose. They, large cats and snakes eat it, so like it controls the yeah. And then it controls the population.
Wait. No, we don't. Explain it to us. What do you mean?
Because it eats that, so then it feeds that, so that's its purpose. Crap.
It eats that, so it feeds that. What? It feeds
I'm
large
not good at
cats.
explaining this kind of stuff.
Well, let's try. A little harder here. Okay, so large cats and snakes eat it. Is what you're saying?
Yes, that's what they
So
do.
therefore, the purpose is what?
To control the population. No. Can we move on?
What's the purpose?
To feed large cats and snakes.
So
Yes.
therefore, it increases the population of those organisms.
Yes.
Okay.
And then it controls the population of lizards and tree frogs. And it controls the population of insects. And it can be used as pets. And it's in zoos, which, tourist stuff.
And you said, Austin, that it eats fruits, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what else would be another purpose that
Spread seeds.
it spreads seeds as well, which is something we didn't include there? Any other cool things or pictures you guys really?
Ooh, I have tons of cool pictures.
All right, good deal, right?
Yeah,
Let's
tons
see.
of fun.
This one right here looks like it's staring in awe. That one's
Looks like it's what?
staring in awe.
Oh, in awe. Okay.
Yeah, like
I got you.
that one looks like it's getting really mad at someone. That one just wants a close up. That one is a baby right here, and so is that one right there that's eating.
Tree sap.
Tree sap. They live like right here in South America.
Yeah.
Oh, and this one's sticking out his tongue out at everybody.
Cool. Do you think the one underneath your title? Do you think he got like some hair gel and made his mustache extra? Like the one that's got a really like perfect mustache right under the T in tamarind.
This one?
Yeah, like it looks like his mustache is like.
It's like
Yeah,
oil.
I went there and put oil on his mustache and then took a picture of him because he was getting mad at me.
That's why he's mad at you. Okay. Any questions about the tamarind for this interesting group?
And just
There's
be
another one.
careful.
There's another baby. What?
Now, why is there a squirrel under niche? Looking.
Squirrel.
What are you talking about?
Niche?
Oh, under the N in tamarind.
It's like red. That's probably
No,
That?
no, yeah, that one.
That's
That-
a tamarind.
That's a baby tamarind.
See the mustache. If you notice, the reason I asked you about mustache, Tori, if you look at the little ones, they don't really have a mustache.
Well, they kind of do.
Well, they
See?
gotta grow it.
I know, but I wonder if it's used as a mating. You know, the bigger the mustache, the more girls you attract, like that kind of thing.
Oh, like
You said
that.
the girls have them too, huh? So maybe not.
Yeah.
I want
Hey, you guys got a question?
Oh, you.
What?
What's that one down there?
This one?
No.
That one?
Nope.
That one?
That's
Is
a
that-
tamarin
is that a
sitting on
baby
a
one?
tree.
No, that's an adult one.
See his
He's-
big long tail?
That's him using his niche to grip onto the tree.
Is his tail yellow?
Yes.
I don't know.